Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of interior design, and I'm excited to show you how to turn your bathroom into a serene oasis using beige tile and a range of essential components. Let's get started. Scene 1, Establishing the base. First things first, let's set the stage. Our canvas is a beautiful beige tile backdrop. It's neutral, calming, and provides the perfect foundation for our design. Scene 2, Creating functional zones. To optimize the space, we're dividing it into functional zones. On one side, we'll place the vanity, sink, and mirror. And on the other, the bathtub, shower enclosure, and toilet. Scene 3, Vanity setup. Our vanity area is taking shape. We're installing a chic beige vanity with ample storage. A sleek sink goes on top, and a well-placed mirror above adds depth and light. Scene 4, Bathtub and shower haven. Next up, let's make the bathing area a true haven. Our elegant bathtub becomes the focal point, while a modern shower enclosure and glass divider bring a touch of luxury. Scene 5, Thoughtful storage solutions. A clutter-free bathroom is a happy bathroom. Installing cabinets beneath the vanity and open shelving on the walls provides practical storage for your essentials. Scene 6, Illuminating ambience. Lighting sets the mood. We're adding ambient ceiling lights and vanity sconces to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Scene 7, Finishing touches. The little details matter. Installing towel bars, an exhaust fan, and a stylish toilet paper holder adds functionality and aesthetics. And don't forget the window to bring in natural light. Scene 8, Seamless flooring and walls. Our beige tile vision is coming together. We're laying down tile flooring that complements the walls, creating a seamless look that ties the room together. Scene 9, Grouting and final look. Before we wrap up, let's finish with precision. Grouting the tiles adds that polished touch. And now, behold our transformed beige tile bathroom. Conclusion. And there you have it. A beige tile bathroom that's both functional and stunning. Remember, with the right components and a little creativity, you can turn any space into your dream sanctuary. Thanks for joining me today, and happy decorating. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, take care and keep designing.